Okay. Example, pagkain. No, pagkain. Okay. Kung kami ho agency, sa tingin namin dapat confidential yung supplier namin kasi baka lasunin, baka may matuntun, no? Matuntun yung supplier namin. Tapos tinanggal namin yung address. Tinanggal namin yung ibang details doon, sinabit namin sa COA. No? Acceptable pa rin ba sa COA 'yon?
Hindi naman po confidential yung mismong
Sa inyo ho, pero kung sa...
Ask and answer, Your Honor.
Okay.
Hindi naman confidential yun.
Asked and answered. Don't argue with the witness, counsel.
Okay, yes, Your Honor. So sa tingin nyo, hindi confidential yon, pero maaaring sa agency, confidential ho yun. para sa
Argumentative, Your Honor. Ask and answer. It is not confidential.
Move on to the
kanila.
next point,
Your Honor,
counsel.
I'm asking for possibility, Your Honor.
There is already ruling from the presiding officer.
Move to the next point, counsel.
Okay, so in short, kayo ho yung nagde-decide ngayon kung ano ho yung confidential na information at hindi. Kasi sinabi nyo ho, sa tingin nyo, hindi naman siya confidential.
Misleading, Your Honor.
Hindi ho.
Witness may answer.
Yes. Yun.
Kasi nga po yung pinaggamitan, hindi naman po yung nag-provide.
Okay, so okay lang na ma-expose yung supplier sa instance na yon, no? Okay lang na malagay yung
Your Honor,
address ni
please.
ABC.
Again, this is already
supplier.
argumentative.
Asked and answered, counsel, and
asked and answered.
Yes,
argumentative.
we
There
take
is nothing confidential about where you
Asked
buy
and answered,
supplies.
counsel,
Your Honor, please,
whether
this
you
line of
agree or not,
questioning.
whether you agree with that with the answer of Celine, that was the answer she gave.
Continuing objection, Your Honor. If it will apply again to medicines, if it will apply again to supplies,
We will
chairs,
not
and
be-
tables, we will have a continuing objection
we're not yet
to
there,
this
counsel.
line
We're not-
of questioning, Your Honor.
We're not yet there, counsel.
Okay. So you
Attorney
are
Christine,
saying...
you may proceed.
Yes po. Your Honor, thank you po. So you are saying the COA is in a better position to judge whether an information is confidential or not. Wala akong karapatan sa agency.
Argumentative, Your Honor.
With
Excuse me,
regard to the food, Your Honor, we are on the example of the supplier of food. Okay, sa instance ho na yan, sa tingin nyo, hindi ho siya confidential, di ba ho? So kayo ho yung mas nakakaalam na ito, you are in a better judgment sa bagay ho na yan.
Kasi po dun sa food po, yung tao mismo na bumili, yun yung confidential. Ganun po. Hindi
Hindi
po
ho yan yung tanong ko eh. Okay,
the
yung
question
tanong,
is vague, Your Honor.
yung tanong,
Please. The
Celine,
question is vague.
Celine, ang tanong sa'yo ay, may karapatan ba yung ahensya magsabi na ito confidential? Kayo lang ba ang may karapatan? Kasi I can actually answer. Tell me if you agree. You review the submissions of the agencies, correct?
Opo.
Pag may observation kayo, mag-AUM kayo, and they can say, hindi, confidential to. And then you can agree or disagree, correct?
Based on the evaluation po ng magiging response nila.
And given the difference in the notice of suspension and notice of disallowance, as pointed out by counsel earlier, na may mga tinanggal na kayo, may mga binawas kayo, di ba?
Opo.
Kasi napaliwanag nila.
Opo.
So, minsan sinasabi nila sa unang tingin mo, hindi confidential to, biglang nagpaliwanag sila, confidential yon, binawas nyo o binabawas nyo.
Opo, based po sa evaluation ng response nila, kung na-answer na po nila yung issues raised dun sa AOM or
Na-answer or napaliwanag nila o nakumbinsi kayo na confidential ito. Therefore, hindi kailangan ng resibo o invoice.
Opo.
Tama? But
Opo.
your determination is anyway appealable, if at all, to the Supreme Court, the Commission of the Supreme Court.
Pag yung sa COA po, opo, pag may decision, may remedy pa po na umakyat sa Supreme Court.
Yes. Okay. Counsel, move on.
so in short, no, sa sagot mo na yan, ibig sabihin, kayo talaga yung nagde-determine na ito, hindi dapat to confidential. Kasi nga, kagaya nung supplies, medicine, and food. Yun po yung naging basis ninyo ng ND ninyo, di ba po?
Your Honor, please, I think this was the question itself of the presiding officer.
Already
Ask and
answered,
answer.
Counsel.
Yeah, the answer is, we want to put it on record, Your Honor. The answer. Ano
Ask
yung...
and answer, Your
Already
Honor.
answered. She agrees, Counsel.
She agrees.
She
So,
already agrees.
okay. So, they will... Okay, I'll move on, Your Honor.
Can we move on, Your Honor?
Now, Ms. Celine, who determines the safeguard to be implemented in order to secure the success of an agency's confidential operations? Part ba ho yun ng audit ninyo? Na kung ano yung mga hindi dapat dinadivulge or dinadivulge ng agency? Part 2 ba ng ICFA audit yun? with regard to their confidential operations.
Your Honor, again, this is ask and answer.
No, Your Honor.
By
I
rephrasing
object,
the
Your Honor.
question, Your Honor, by rephrasing
This is
the
a
question.
different question.
Kindly
Counsel, can I-
wait for counsel for the prosecutors. Yes, Attorney Kapurin?
Your Honor, these are the same questions rephrased differently, Your Honor. Ask and answer.
It is not, Your Honor. Kasi yung kanina,
What is
The
your...
presiding
who
officer-
determines whether...
The court will allow it. Attorney Saline, please answer.
Pwede pong pakiulit.
Okay, ulitin ko po Who determines? Sino ba yung nagde-determine kung ano dapat yung mga safeguards, no? Mga panuntunan na i-implement po dapat ng agency para ma-secure po yung success ng confidential operations. In short, sino dapat yung nagde-determine na itong information na to confidential, ito hindi?
Yun po is dapat po sa agency, meron
Sa
silang sound and effective internal
Okay,
control.
so, salamat po. No, so, sa agency na yon, no? Si agency dapat. And si COA ICFAO merely audits liquidation documents relative to the confidential funds. Tama po ba?
We base po sa liquidation documents submitted at base po sa joint circular yung pag-evaluate namin per liquidation documents submitted.
Yes, okay. Thank you for that, no? So, si COA ICFAO, in that sense, you do not determine which information is confidential or not, correct? Kasi base lang naman po kayo sa liquidation documents.
We base on our audit po sa liquidation documents submitted to us. We rely po doon
Okay,
sa pag-conduct ng audit.
Salamat po. Now, si COA ICFAO po ba ay privy sa confidential operations ng agency? Kasali ba kayo dun sa mga confidential operations po ng OVP, for example?
We base lang po our audit dun sa liquidation documents submitted
So,
to
in
us.
short, just answer the question. Kasali ba kayo sa confidential operations
Answered,
ng
Your
OVP?
Honor. They based it
Wala
on
akong
the-
answer, Your
She
Honor.
did not answer, counsel.
She did not answer.
Um,
Yes or
based
no?
on the documents.
Saline, just answer it. Hindi kayo kasama, di ba?
Hindi po. Base
Okay.
lang po kami sa documents.
So,
Okay.
just say that hindi kayo kasama.
Salamat po, Your Honor. It's 12:16, Your Honor. Do you want... Okay lang po ako. I can
Thank you for
continue.
pointing that out, counsel.
Okay,
Because
kasi po, next
my
point na lang
colleagues
po
have
ito,
been
no?